Okay, everyone. Today in math, after that break, will be kind of a review of all the strategies that we've looked at. Okay, and we have, look at all the strategies we learned: the standard algorithm, the partial products method, and the area model. Remember, the area model we also called the distributive property. So in each of these boxes, they want you to use each strategy. So the standard algorithm, you don't have to label it like this. I just am to help you remember. Standard algorithm would be like this: 425 times 4, and then you multiply and regroup. This is the one that you regroup. 5 times 4 is 20. Regroup the 2. 2 times 4 is 8, but plus 2 more makes 10. So we regroup the 1. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. So that's a total of 1,700. So that was that strategy, right? We regroup, we multiply, and we regroup. And then there's the partial products. And partial products, remember, 425 times 4. Now we don't regroup, we just write out the whole product. 5 times 4 is 20. And now remember, when partial products, we have to remember that this is not 2 times 4, this is 20 times 4, right? And 2 times 4 is 8, so 20 times 4 is 80. And then this is not 4 times 4, it's 400 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. So 4 times 4 would be 1,600, or 400 times 4 would be 1,600. So that would be like this. And then we add them all up. And the good news is we got the same answer. So that means we're doing it correctly. And then this one, the area model, right? Which also called distributive property. First, so we got 425 times 4. And then look what they did. They separate the 425 into its parts in expanded form. And when we just have the other factor right by the parentheses, that's in the way to tell us that we're multiplying. See, there's no x there for multiplication. That's okay. The number just right next to the parentheses, that means we're multiplying all of this by 4. So 400 times, or 4 times 400 plus 20 plus 5. So that means we can separate it in all its parts. We can distribute it. 4 times 400, 4 times 20, plus 4 times 5, like that. And then when we make our area model, we know we put our factor 4 over there, and then 425 goes along here in its parts. And now we just multiply 4 times 400. Again, 4 times 4 is 16. But since it's a multiple of 100, we need those two zeros. So 4 times 400 is 1,600. And then 4 times 20 is 80, because 4 times 2 is 8. But with the 0, we know it's a multiple of 10. And then 4 times 5 is 20. And then, of course, we put it all back together with addition. 1,600 plus 80 is 1,680. And then plus 20 is 1,700. So we got the same product every time, which is a good thing. It means we're doing things correctly when you keep getting the same answer while using the different strategies. All right. So that's what we're going to work on today in math. Kumani and Leslie, you watch this video so you know what to do. And again, rewatch this video as much as you need. And we're just going to work on, you guys have one done for you. I still want you guys to go ahead and do this one. All right. Even though I did it for you, it's still good practice for you to go ahead and do it. And then you have B and C to do. And then you've got, I believe the rest of the problem set is story problems. Yep. So you got to find out what you're multiplying. And look what it says. It says solve using the partial products method. This one says the second one says model with the tape diagram and solve. Don't worry about that. You know, don't don't worry about that direction. Model with a tape diagram. I would say solve it using any strategy you want. All right. Last one says solve using the standard algorithm, the area model, the distributed property, or the partial products. So you choose any strategy. So I'd say for this one too, choose any strategy. All right. And then the problem set continues over here. And these ones don't really, well, it's the same direction. Solve these using any of the strategies you want. Okay. So this is just more practice of using the different strategies. Okay. So hopefully you understand. And let's get to work on it.